These are the Forex brokers offering the highest leverage for UK traders in 2025. I'm Noam.
And I'm Justin. We've been comparing Forex brokers for over a decade now, and we've been looking at the latest when it comes to CFD and Forex trading insights.
In this video, we're going to uncover the Forex brokers that boast the highest leverage for those traders based in the UK. Justin, high leverage, it's another category that we look at quite frequently. We get a lot of questions about which brokers boast the highest leverage. There's a lot to unpack. Who did we award as the broker offering the highest leverage, or the best broker for highest leverage in the UK in 2025?
Sure, so number one was Pepperstone, and they're our recommended broker. It's very important to understand that Pepperstone is FCA regulated within the UK, and as such, they have leverage restrictions which were tightened a few years ago. So for example, when it comes to major Forex pairs, there's 30 to 1, for minors it's 20 to 1, and it just depends on the instrument. So they will offer you the most leverage possible under FCA restrictions. Now the only exception to that is if you open a professional trader account, and there are several hurdles with your level of knowledge, your previous experience, the amount of assets you have, net worth, there's several requirements. And then they'll offer you leverage up to 500 to 1, but it is a high bar that you need to pass, and that's more for sophisticated traders. So generally, if you're looking for the highest leverage possible within the FCA and you want an FCA regulated broker, it's not surprised that Pepperstone was recommended, because they were the 2025 overall best Forex broker that we reviewed. And there's several factors for that, such as they offer every major trading platform, including TradingView. They even have their own. They have the second fastest execution speeds, which avoids slippage, which is a very common factor. They won investment trends most satisfied traders, and also best customer trader satisfaction. Thank you, Noam. So there's many factors that you can see on our review of what led to this. The fact that they offer the highest leverage possible means that they're the winner for this category.
Okay, so that's Pepperstone at number one. At number two on the list, we had IG. Again, household name in the UK, probably a household name globally. They've been in the UK forever, basically. Why do we award IG as the second best broker for high leverage in the UK in 2025?
Sure, so like Pepperstone, IG is FCA regulated. So again, they're very limited to the amount of leverage that they can offer. There's not much wiggle room above and beyond. Most will offer a certain level. Now, the reason why we've put IG onto our list is that they do offer some markets that Pepperstone don't offer, especially when it comes to elements like spread betting. They've got some options such as long positions, weekend trading. I know it's a very small proportion of people that would ever have interest in these, but we do have to give an understanding that some people do. Pepperstone won't offer these niche types of products. IG does, and they offer them with the maximum leverage allowed within the FCA. So generally, they're number two on our list, because if you're looking for these exotic areas, they're going to cater, and Pepperstone may not.
Okay, so that's Pepperstone at number one, IG at number two. At number three on the list, we have a lesser known broker, but a broker that's growing really, really rapidly globally. They're based out of New Zealand. Black Bull Markets. Why do we like Black Bull as the third best broker offering high leverage in the UK?
Sure, so Black Bull Markets are not FCA regulated, as Norm said. They're FMA regulated in New Zealand. So, that obviously we recommend UK traders choose an FCA, but obviously some traders, they just require high leverage. So they'll have trading strategies, they'll have automation, etc. High leverage is a must. And for these types of people, they'll look for an offshore broker. So if you're going to look for offshore, it must have a T1 regulation, whether that's ASIC, FMA, etc. Black Bull does have a T1. They can onboard UK traders, and they can offer these traders up to 500 to 1 leverage.
Yeah, the FMA are probably the last T1 regulator in the world that are offering traders, or offering brokers, the ability to provide traders with 500 to 1 leverage.
Yeah, so we have to acknowledge the fact that Black Bull get a lot of traders in regions like Australia, which have similar restrictions, Singapore, UK. So, people want high leverage. They do want a broker with tier 1. And what is amazing about Black Bull is they really offer some of the lowest fees for professional traders. And I said the word professional. And the reason why I'm saying that is because the minimum deposit requirement for the best spreads is $2,000 or $20,000 for the institutional ones, which have the lowest commission of any broker. So look, if you're at this higher end, if you're looking, they're gonna offer you not only high leverage, but really low spreads and commission rates. So they're definitely worth looking into, but we're gonna always put a little asterisk that they are not FCA regulated. So you have to understand what that means in your trading experience. They can onboard UK brokers. We say that they can be trusted. They've been around for over a decade, very well known in the Southern Hemisphere, and definitely growing when it comes to the Northern Hemisphere, as more and more traders require to have high leverage levels to execute their trading strategies.
Okay, so let's just summarize for everybody back home. At number 3 on the list, we had a broker that's not regulated in the UK by the FCA, but are regulated by the FMA in New Zealand, that can offer people in the UK 500-to-1 leverage, provided they're accessing an offshore broker, because they acknowledge the risks and assess that they do need the high leverage. So if you do want those 500-to-1 leverages and you're going to look at an offshore broker in the UK, you really can't look past a Black Bull Markets.
Yeah, I'll just say a few more things about Black Bull. They offer all the major trading platforms, including TradingView. They have the fastest execution speed of any broker that we tested, which is a massive thing and put us onto the radar. And they really have unbelievable customer service at that more sophisticated trading level. So if you're kind of an advanced to expert type of trader, trading higher volumes, Black Bull really have a great offering for you.
Yep, okay, at number 2 on the list we had IG. Why IG?
Well, household name, locally regulated by the FCA, widest range of markets, a lot of these exotic markets that just nobody else offers. So if you want to trade, let's say on the weekend, IG should be definitely on your radar.
Okay, and then at number 1 on the list, winning this award for the 2nd year running, was Pepperstone. Why Pepperstone?
Look, they're FCA regulated. They offer the highest leverage possible within their FCA regulated license. They won 2025 Best UK Forex Broker and Best Forex Broker overall. Best, all the trading platforms that they offer. They won the Investment Trends Most Satisfied Traders and Best Customer Service. So they win on several fronts, and if you're looking for that local broker, go with Pepperstone.
There you have it, guys. The best Forex brokers boasting the highest leverage in the UK in 2025. If you want to do a little bit more research about each of the brokers that we listed in this video, we'll attach a link to this review and also a link to each of the brokers in the description down below. Please don't hesitate to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe, and let us know if there are any other videos you want us to create for you to help you on your trading journey in 2025 and beyond. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Thank you.